Slay Your Day. Now today we're going to be doing an experiment. Okay, so this is the Sensationnel Rulebreaker wig, and it's in T1B30. Now I've had this wig since May. Now since then, this wig has held up pretty well for like over 3 months. But it's a little bit frizzy, the curls have fallen, it's not really giving me life anymore. So what I'm going to be doing is seeing if I can go ahead and straighten this wig and turn it into a completely different look. I want to see if I can go ahead and turn this curly afro into a straight mane, you feel me? Now I'm going to start at the ends of the hair, and with using a wide tooth comb, I'm going to work my way up to detangle it before I use the flat iron. Before I straighten it, I'm going to add a dollop of Smooth and Shine hair polisher because it'll make the hair more susceptible to the heat and it'll straighten easier. And I'm going to follow the flat iron with my comb. This will help get the tangles out and make the hair straighter. One thing you want to be mindful of as you straighten a curly synthetic unit is to get the roots, because this is a naturally curly unit. You're going to have to work a little bit harder to straighten the roots, but it'll be worth it because it'll give you that nice sleek look all the way around. Here is the left side. I have to say I'm really loving it. I feel like the color looks so bomb. So on to the other side. What I didn't show you from the very beginning is that I started in the back. I sectioned the hair off and I detangled it before I ran the flat iron through it. I have not combed or brushed this hair since I got it in May, so I did encounter more than a few tangles, especially near the ends of the hair. And by the time I got to the second half, I was so hot and frustrated. I was really ready to take that wig off and throw it at the wall. But I didn't. I just tried my best to detangle the hair, and the hair that I couldn't detangle, I just ripped out. I found that it did get easier as I moved to the front of my head, just because the hair in the front is less likely to tangle than the hair in the back. So you shouldn't have that big of a problem straightening the front. I'm not gonna lie, you will have to run that flat iron through this wig multiple times. So good thing this is synthetic hair. You can literally flat iron it as much as you want because it's not even real. It don't even matter. But yeah, and then once you're done, you just want to comb through it to make sure that there are no tangles left in the wig. Okay, y'all, here she is. I finally finished straightening her. So that is how much hair I lost due to detangling. It is a little bit thinner than I was expecting, but I still like the hair straight. I think this color looks so cute straight. But I'm not done yet, guys, because I still have to cut this to frame my face, as well as get rid of these nasty jagged ends to make this look complete. Because I had such a hard time detangling, the ends are nasty, they're real uneven, so I'm just going to cut them down to even them out. Now I'm just going to cut the hair to frame my face. I usually cut diagonally downward away from my face. And then I'm going to do the same to the other side. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of concealer to this parting space. And then I'm going to add mascara along the sides of the parting space. Here she is, the Sensationnel Rulebreaker. I feel like that is such a fitting name for this wig because I literally broke all the rules. I definitely just straightened a synthetic wig. But anyway, guys, if you ever have to ask, this is why I love Sensationnel wigs. Like, they don't even pay me. They don't have to pay me. Like, I love their products. I literally took my wig from a curly fro to this. It reminds me of a 12, 14, 16 kind of wig. I like it. It's real cute, real simple, you know? And it's not stiff. Like, you would think this hair would be so stiff.
y'all. Sensationnel is the bomb.com. Your faith could never. I'm telling y'all. So anyway, guys, that is my video. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up for all my hard work, y'all, because I am hot as hell. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to tune in next week because I got a special video planned for next week. It's a surprise and I'm not telling y'all what it is. So make sure you meet me back here Tuesday at 2 p.m. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.